Finding your rhythm, the power of get your groove back. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and vibrant phrase that pops up in English conversations: get your groove back. Understanding this expression not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a peek into the culture behind the language. So, let's explore what it means to get your groove back and how you can use this phrase in your everyday conversations. Get your groove back is an idiomatic expression that means to recover one's confidence, enthusiasm, or ability to perform well after a period of being less successful or happy. The word groove originally refers to a musical term, signifying rhythm or routine. When you're in your groove, everything seems to flow smoothly and effortlessly. This phrase can apply to various aspects of life, such as work, personal interests, and relationships. It suggests a positive transformation or comeback to a state where one feels happy, productive, and energized. The phrase, get your groove back, gained popularity in the late 20th century, and one of its notable mentions is in the title of the movie, How Stella Got Her Groove Back. This movie tells the story of a woman who rediscovers her zest for life during a vacation, highlighting the essence of getting one's groove back in a personal and emotional context. However, the use of groove in this context has roots in the 1960s and 1970s, especially in the music scene, where being in the groove meant being in tune with the music, thus performing exceptionally well. To help you start using this expression, here are a few examples. 1. After a few weeks of feeling unmotivated, I finally started exercising again and got my groove back. 2. She was struggling with her new project at work but got her groove back after some encouragement from her team. 3. After a year of not playing, he picked up his guitar and slowly got his groove back, rediscovering his passion for music. Get your groove back is more than just an expression. It's a reminder that it's possible to bounce back from a slump and find joy and success in our endeavors once again. Whether it's reigniting your passion, overcoming obstacles, or simply finding your rhythm in daily tasks, remember that getting your groove back is all about rediscovering what makes you feel vibrant and alive. We hope this video has shed light on this colorful phrase and inspired you to use it in your conversations. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and until next time, happy learning!